Hey everyone, welcome back to another exam vlog, and this is part 2 of exam week, which basically means yes, I somehow survived the first two exams, and now I'm left with the last two, with way less sleep, a lot more stress, and endless studying sessions. So, in this video, I'll be taking you through my final two exam days, the late night revisions, random burst of motivation, a little bit of procrastination, and of course, the excitement of finally finishing my last exam. Let's see if I can survive till the end. Come along with me. So after coming back from college, I was completely exhausted, so I took a short nap, and then there was puja at home, so I couldn't really sit down to study at that time. But later at around 8 p.m. I finally got back on track and sat down for my first proper study session of the day. But not gonna lie, it was a bit hard to get back into the flow, but once I started, it actually felt productive. Okay, so it's 9:18 right now and I was going through all the topics. आज बहुत 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 ज़्यादा लेट हो गया क्योंकि घर में पूजा था and due to that I couldn't study. So I was going through all the topic and also I was taking one time lapse, but unfortunately I don't know when the phone just fell off and couldn't record that part. Anyways, hey guys, so it's 12:27 right now. अब और नहीं हो रहा है. I'm just going to go and sleep. और I'm having headache also. जितना भी नहीं हो पा रहा था, at least अभी तक I was able to go through all the topics nicely. The concepts are quite clear in my head. I just need to go through it once more. कल सुबह मैं देख लूँगी. आई गेस उससे हो जाएगा क्योंकि 20 मार्क्स का एग्ज़ाम है तो उतना टफ नहीं होने वाला है आई गेस. और ये सब्जेक्ट्स के जितने भी टॉपिक्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही बेसिक्स हैं. 2 टॉपिक्स रह गए हैं, वो मैं कल सुबह देखूँगी तो हो जाएगा. बाकी आज पता नहीं क्या हुआ मेरे साथ. सुबह आई गॉट रेडी एंड आई डिड नॉट like say anything. I did not take any video. I just went to the university, gave my exam, came back home. तब भी कुछ नहीं हुआ. I forgot. एंड मैं जब घर आई थोड़े से मैंने तब जब याद आया कि अरे मुझे तो व्लॉग भी करना था, तो थोड़े बहुत शूट्स वगैरह लिए. और मैं जब भी पढ़ रही थी उस टाइम पे मैंने फ़ोन को टाइमलेस पे लगा दिया, लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ हो ही रहा था. फ़ोन गिर रहा था, भैया बात कर रहे थे, मम्मी पैर लगा रही थी. सो आई वॉज लाइक कुछ भी हो रहा था. सो या देखते हैं एग्ज़ाम कैसा जाता है. बाकी विल सी टुमारो. Today is 2nd of April and today is my law and social transformation exam. So कल तो ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाई थी. आज सुबह उठ के मैंने सारे टॉपिक्स जो हैं वो मैंने देख लिए हैं. अगेन द कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर क्लियर, सो इसीलिए उतना पता नहीं क्यों टेंशन नहीं हो रहा है. फिर भी सीरियस तो होना पड़ेगा. सो इट्स 8:46 right now. We'll take shower at around 9, 10 or 15. Then we'll get ready and जाएंगे यूनिवर्सिटी, देंगे एग्ज़ाम, देखते हैं कैसा जाता है. So yeah, so I'm all set to go to the university. Let's see how the exam goes. और कल मेरा एग्ज़ाम है नहीं क्योंकि कल गुड फ्राइडे है एंड माई लास्ट एग्ज़ाम इज़ ऑन 4th क्योंकि 4 सब्जेक्ट्स 4 दिन बस. सो या लेट्स सी हाउ द एग्ज़ाम गोज टुडे. बाकी आके मिलते हैं.
मिलते नहीं, खालिद है पर दिलचस्प भी. सुबह पूछे रात शाम में क्या हंसी, शाम में पूछे रात सुबह हो क्या नहीं. जाकिर करे वो जाहिर नहीं, आकिल हूँ मैं आसिम नहीं.
ओके सो आई एम बैक होम एंड आते ही मूड ख़राब हो गया क्योंकि देयर इज़ नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड या नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू फ्रेशन अप, हैव लंच एंड देन आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्लीप क्योंकि आज तो मुझे चिल करना है क्योंकि कल देयर इज़ नो एग्ज़ाम क्योंकि कल गुड फ्राइडे है और हमारा लास्ट एग्ज़ाम है रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी जो कि ठीक ठाक है. आज का एग्ज़ाम अगर मैं आज सुबह पढ़ के कवर कर सकती हूँ तो मैं उसको भी कर लूँगी क्योंकि वो प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड है. So anyways, let's go, let's get freshened up and have some lunch क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है. Hey guys, so it's 9:43 right now. सो गई थी, खाना खाया, बैठ गई, चिल किया. नाउ आई एम ट्रांसफरिंग ऑल दी फाइल्स क्योंकि वीडियो मुझे बहुत जल्द अपलोड करना भी है. सो या गाइस लेट्स गो. और खाना खाने के बाद आई विल बी स्टडिंग. सो या
Rain is dancing on the roof with these sober thoughts of you. Lovers talk late at night, doing drugs, ease my mind. I'm not alright. You were there, now you're gone. Never thought you were wrong. We don't have much time. And they said, oh no, don't go. I've been here before. She said, boy, won't you think twice? You can't do no more. But I know how the story's told. Bottled up my fear. And they said it's fool's gold, it's got a hold. I'm dying here. Lovers talk late at night, doing drugs, ease my mind. I'm not alright. You were there, now you're gone.
I don't know if this is only me or somebody else also feels this, is that during my last exam I don't feel like to study. Even the day before my last exam I completely don't feel like to study. I feel like just to sleep, chill and do anything I want. और मुझे लगता है कि पढ़ाई करना ही क्यों है भाई. लास्ट एग्ज़ाम है, जैसे तैसे हो जाएगा, ख़त्म हो जाएगा और इसी चक्कर में पढ़ाई होता नहीं एंड जो होना होता है वो तो मार्क्स में दिख ही जाता है. सो एनीवेज अब जो हो गया सो हो गया. अब देखते हैं कैसा जाता है कल का एग्ज़ाम. जितना टाइम है, नाउ इट्स 7:13, दैट मीन्स आई हैव गॉट सम मोर आवर्स टू स्टडी क्योंकि उसके बाद तो मैं 5-6 घंटे सो ही जाऊँगी. सो या लेट्स गो, लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट मच मोर टाइम.
We don't have much time. is kind, love's not fair, not your choice if you care. I'm down on hope. I can't do nothing right, thought that I could make you mine. I tried and tried. Love is talk late at night, doing drugs, ease my mind. I'm not alright. You were there, now you're gone. Never thought you were wrong. We don't have much time. Love is kind, love's not fair, not your choice if you care. I'm down on hope.
Hey guys, so it's 10:25 right now. Yeah, now I'm just going to sit and journal, and then I'll revise all the topics for the last time, and then I'm just going to sleep and then revise it all again tomorrow in the morning, because tomorrow is my last exam and I'm really excited about it, because tomorrow my exam is going to end. So let's go. Research methodology is the topics that I have this time is quite easy, and it's not that I need to write all the bookish lines and everything. It's all about what I understand. So this is one of the reasons that I'm not taking this subject that serious this time. But anyways, क्योंकि serious तो लेना पड़ेगा अभी, क्योंकि marks वैसे serious नहीं होंगे तो घर से लाठी भी मिल सकता है. Anyways, so now I'm just going to take my meds and then sit for another study session, and then I'm just going to sleep. My ears are like, yeah.
Nothing right, thought that I could make you mine. I tried and tried. Love is talk late at night, doing drugs, ease my mind.
सो थोड़ी देर पहले, लाइक हाफ एन आवर पहले, मेरे दोस्तों ने कॉल किया. वी वर डिस्कसिंग ऑल द टॉपिक्स. मैंने भी एक्सप्लेन करे, वो लोग भी एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे, तो इससे टॉपिक्स जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गए हैं. जो भी कन्फ्यूजन था वो भी क्लियर हो गया है. आई गेस उन लोग का भी क्लियर हो गया होगा. एनीवेज, आई एम डन विद माई स्टडी सेशन टुडे. इट्स 12 AM right now, and I'll be revising all the topics again tomorrow in the morning, and let's see how the exam goes. And that's the last exam tomorrow. I'm really excited क्योंकि उससे बाद तो मज़े ही मज़े है. Anyways, let's see how the exam goes with that.
Now you're gone, never thought you were wrong. We don't have much time. Love is kind, love's not fair, not your choice if you care. I'm down on hope. I can't do nothing right, thought that I could make you mine. I tried and tried. Love is talk late at night, doing drugs, ease my mind. I'm not alright. You were there, now you're gone. Never thought you were wrong. We don't have much time. We don't have much time.
So I'm all set to go. देखते हैं एग्ज़ाम कैसा जाता है. I hope the exam goes well, and I'm really excited क्योंकि आज लास्ट एग्जाम है guys. Anyways, let's go. And that's all about my exam week. Back-to-back exams, stress, random motivation, anxiety, and a lot more studies. But at the end of the day, exams come and go. And every exam season leaves you with a lesson. To manage time better, trust yourself a little more, and realize you are capable of handling more than you think. I really believe exams helps us understand our strengths and weaknesses. What works for us, what doesn't, and how we can improve that. And with that, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog and that it added at least a little value to your day. See you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep smiling. Bye.
It's worth it on the other side when he brings that city down. Can you say